let's sing today. We're thankful in every way. When someone helps you tie your shoe, what do you say? Thank you. When mommy makes your favorite snack, say thank you right back. Thank you every day. Please and thanks go a long, long way. We smile and share, we're kind and true. We always say thank you. When a squirrel gives you one big nut, say thanks. That's kind and cute. When